and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add a countdown timer to the product page using our application Countdown Timer. So, first of all, go to Applications right here. Then you will see the application of Countdown Timer here, like this. If you don't see the application in your apps, you will find it in the New Apps tab here. You will just need to click Add and activate it, like this. Then after that, click on the picture so you can access the settings of the application. Now we are in the settings page of the application. Always in the application, you will see a small preview of the countdown timer right here. The first one is the messages that appears at the top right here. The second one is about the visitors. The third one is about the countdown timer. Right here you will see either days, hours, minutes. Then you can choose the colors and the size and also put a shadow. So let's start configuring our application. Let's start with the message. You will see here the title, which is this one. You can change it as you like. For example, special offer today only. I can change it with you can put wherever you like. Then the subtitle is also available for you. For example, only today, which is just an example. As you see here, this is the title and this is the subtitle. Then the second thing is the visitors. Now you don't see any countdown of the visitors, but if you click activate right here, you will see 12 people watching right now. You can also edit the visitors message, 12 people, for example. And here you can set the maximum of visitors and this is the minimum of visitors. So this is a random number. It will get from 6 to 26 right here, and you can activate it and deactivate it. The third thing is the countdown timer. We have here days, hours, minutes, seconds. You can change the label of them as you see here if you have different language in the store. Also, you can change the countdown timer days. For example, you can put 15 days here, 12 hours, 10 minutes, 20 seconds. It depends on the things you want. Then we need to choose colors of the countdown timer based on our logo or on our branding colors. For example, the background color, everything you can control it right here. I'm gonna leave it as it is and you can play with the colors as you like. Then you need to choose the size, either the size of the circles or the size of the numbers inside the circles. Also, you will get a preview of this. For example, if I decreases the size of the circles, you will see it like this. It is previewed like this. Also, the size of the numbers, I can control it, either increase it or decrease it based on your taste. The final thing is the shadow. You have 4 types, either none or small or medium or large. It depends on you. Me, I do not prefer to put a shadow in this countdown timer, so I'll put none and always click on confirm. Then if we click on show store like this, and click on any product, you will see the countdown timer preview like this with all the settings that we have done. As you see, it picks up a random number from the numbers we have set and Also the text and everything looks great. So thanks for watching and see you soon in other tutorials. If you do not understand anything, please leave us your question in the comments below or contact us directly from our Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you soon.